Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the first ever episode of Becoming the Best Version of Myself. Today I'm going to be cleaning my closet. Now, my mother is having an old-fashioned Midwestern rummage sale next weekend, so to procrastinate from doing any more schoolwork, we are going to be taking on my closet, going through every single item of clothing that I have, and then I can start clean and become the best version of myself through my clothes. I made a video exactly like this last year. Please don't watch it. It is so cringy. But I wasn't harsh enough on myself, okay? I wasn't realistic enough. Now we've been through an entire year of the pandemic. Okay, I went to college, didn't get to wear very much. So when I do get to wear what I want and go back out into public, I want it to be clothes, every single piece, one that I love. Okay guys, don't judge me on the mess we have. Don't worry about it. I want to start here because this is my underwear, socks, bras, and then we have just a bunch of sweaters and stuff that I definitely don't need. This is a swimsuit. We're gonna worry about that another time. First of all, come on now. Come on. Keep. Oh, this is hard. I don't like this. Okay. I don't need 6 of these. Definitely can get rid of this one. This is so sad. I do not want to do this anymore. Soccer team. I should probably keep it though, right? This sweater, absolutely keeping. This one's really plain and I never wear it. Okay, we got one done. Dude. Moving on to my dresser, I have all of my jeans, pants, some t-shirts down here, and this is gonna be a long one. Here's my pile so far to get rid of, and my pile of stuff I wanted to try on before I make a decision, so I'm gonna try all of that on right now. Okay, looking at the closet, yeah, there's like some stuff, but I have nowhere to put it. And honestly, it's pretty organized since last time, like last summer. Don't mind. Anyways, I had the 3 bins up there that I got. One of them is over here now for my hamster stuff, so I only have the 2, but I think if I like move them over, it'll be fine. And then I just have a lot of clothes that I need to go through. I don't even know how I accumulated this many after last time, but I feel like there's a lot I'm gonna be willing to get rid of. Guys, I'm trying on like my pants and these shorts are like so tight, but like they're the only ones I have, and I don't know what's different about last summer, but my butt's definitely not bigger, so I don't know. Do I keep them because I don't have any other pair, or do I get rid of them hoping that I'll get more pair? What do I do? Comment below. Except you commenting won't help at all because this is gonna be posted before I can read the comments, but I don't know what to do. Wait, also I'm just trying this on to see if I like the skirt still, but why is this kind of a vibe? Guys, I also can't decide on these ones. I'm just bad at making decisions, but I bought these like a couple years ago and I cut them and made them like distressed, but now I'm like, does it look stupid? I don't know. Like, imagine how cute they would be if I didn't do that. They would fit so well. Can we just take a moment to appreciate all of the dad shirts that I've thrifted? This one, it's pretty sick. I recently just got this one. I also think pretty sick. Another favorite, and last but not least, I surprised my dad with this one, but he did not think it was funny. Okay guys, I went through all of the clothes once and I'm gonna go through a second time and take out all of the shirts that I want to fold, just like random shirts that I have to keep because they were from like church or like a club I did in high school. I'm gonna go through again and then I'm gonna try and be really decisive and really mean to myself because I know there's a lot of clothes that I want to keep, but I just, like, realistically, if it wasn't there, I wouldn't even know that. On the bright side though, we have this pile to go. I have this pile to go to the rummage sale, and then this one that I want to try and sell somewhere else. So, okay, you know, I thought I did a bad job, but that seems pretty promising. Don't be mad. The rummage sale was literally 3 weeks ago, but look how good the closet looks. Okay. So I even organized it and everything. I have my long sleeves hoodies back here. I have pants here. I have my dresses right here, and then clothing hamper and everything. And then I have my like jackets and cover-ups and stuff like that. And then tank tops and short sleeves. And I think it looks so clean and nice compared to last time. I'm gonna get rid of this soon, so that won't be in there. But I think it looks so cute. And then here's all of the extra t-shirts I had. They look so nice and organized. And the rest of these drawers are also super nice and organized. Anyways, sorry I forgot to finish this video, but I hope you guys all really enjoyed it, and I will see you all next week. Bye!